Hi everyone, welcome back, and today is the 11th of March 2021, and basically we have seen some rebounds on the market, and that is very encouraging. And if you look at Nasdaq has been off the low, and basically on Tuesday the Nasdaq went up about 500 point or close to 500 point, and my account went up about 14 to 15%. So I have basically recouped back most of the losses on Tuesday itself. I didn't do much trade, so I didn't update a video these few days. But on yesterday, I basically do a new trade. So I roll up the new call, and let's take a look at the new, because on yesterday, the market opened high, that opened at about close to 43 or 44. And I have two call at 50 level that is expiring next Friday. And basically, I didn't want my call to be called out. And if you look at my new trade, my average price was about $45.46 for 200 share. So that is my average price, and by selling a 50 call, if I were to get call out, that's fine. I will probably make about $1,000 for the 200 share, because $5 for each 100 share, so that is about $1,000. That's fine. But basically I'm still bullish on Nio, so I didn't want to get call out on next Friday if the market is above 50. So basically yesterday I decided to roll up the call from 50 to 54, and that will go into another week of expiry. So I roll from 19 to 26 of March. So that is the current trade. Basically I sell two call on Monday, that is 8th of March, for 36 cents, two contract. And the call premium was low because on Monday the Nio was below 40, around 37 or 36 when I'm selling the call at 50. So I only managed to get 36 cents. And yesterday when Nio was up to about $44, I decided to close out the call at 78 cents. So I close out two call at 78 cents. So did I make a loss? Yes, I did make a loss for this two call, because I saw it for 36 cents and I buy it back at 78 cents. So I'm making a loss. But I went in to sell another two call at 54 strike for 76 cents. So I didn't actually have a big loss. Maybe I'm just losing 2 cents, but my expiry date extend by another week, and my call strike from 50 I managed to roll up to 54. So that is a trade I do yesterday for a 4 cent debit for rolling 50 to 54. I didn't log into my desktop. I was using my mobile to trade. That's why I didn't make any video yesterday. So that is basically my current Nio position right now. So I still have two call at 54 strike that expire on 26th of March. So if Nio were to go up to 54, then I probably make about $9 for each 100 share, and I have 200 share. So if I were to get call out at 54, then I make about $1,008. I think that's good. Basically, I'm still bullish on Nio. So if Nio were to start going up, I may consider to roll up the call strike again. So we'll see about that. So that is basically the trade. I didn't do much trade on all my existing position. Everything remained intact. And I basically did a one calendar trade. I call this a crash proof high probability twisted calendar, because this is a calendar with a twist. So we can see that the SPY currently is at about 393. So I have this calendar going on, and if you look at the risk graph, then this calendar at the peak I can make about $600. Of course, I don't expect to make the max, because to make the $600, then I will have to wait for the actual day, and SPY would have to expire right on the dot. I don't intend to hold this calendar until the expiry, so I'm going to close out next Wednesday or Thursday, depend. Because the front calendar is going to expire next Friday, on the 19th of March. So I will probably close out this set of calendar on the 17th or 18th, depending on the price move. And if you take a look, and if I were to do nothing, and let's say SPY were to go up and jump 20 or 30 points, then my max risk was about $500. So this is pretty close to 1-to-1. Of course, I don't expect to take the max risk, because as the market go up, if the SPY were to go up, then I would probably be out. I would take a loss and get out. And I call this a crash proof, because if the market were to drop, then I'm not going to lose any money. If you look at the risk graph here, then if the market were to drop 100 points, then you can see from the risk graph, I'm going to lose about 62 cents or $1. So I'm going to lose about $1 if the market were to crash 100 points. So this is considered a crash proof. But of course, because this calendar is made up of multiple legs, so I'm going to lose commission on this. But that is fine. Commission is part of the trading. So what am I hoping or expecting from SPY when I'm doing this calendar? I hope that SPY will go up slowly. If it crash, then it doesn't matter. I'll be losing $1 plus commission. But if SPY were to go up slowly, if SPY were to go up to 397, 399 or 400, and it go up slowly, then I will probably hope to make $200 to $300 from this trade. My channel was all about option trading. It's not just about the whale strategy. I did some of the other trade as well. So from the last 2 to 3 months, so this is the first video that I'm doing a trade that is not the option whale, because this is a high probability crash proof calendar. So if you want to learn more about this, please drop in your comment, and I'll be discussing more on this and what is the strike I'm using. So please leave a comment if you like this type of trade. I may be doing more of this type of trade in the near future. But for the rest of the trade, everything remain unchanged. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share. And I will see you on the next update. Because I won't be adjusting most of the trade, I won't be doing most of this adjustment. So there may not be so many updates for the next 1 week. But basically on Monday, there's some trade that is expiring on Friday. So on Monday, I will definitely be doing some trade. If I'm not wrong, then I think the Peloton is going to... No, Peloton is expiring on the 19th. I think it's the Palantir. Palantir is expiring on the 12th of March. So I will be doing a trade on Peloton on Monday. I'll be selling call because I don't think that Peloton will go above 30 by this Friday. I mean, if it does, then that's fine to me. If not, I'll continue to sell call. And basically the Palantir, I'm already making a profit because I'm long 200 share at 25 plus all the premium that I collected. And Palantir is up now. So let's just hope that the market will continue to go up. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully when I see you guys in the next video, I hope the Nasdaq will go above 13,000. And if it can go above 13,500, I will be very happy. Thank you.